Alrighty, hi, this is Britta. Welcome back. So we're actually going to do some product testing today. So we're going to do one with hair right now. And I just want you to see what it looks like with my hair is dry. You can kind of see what it looks like, the natural style it has. So you can see that. I'm going to be testing out this Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I'm going to be testing this product. Really good. It has like a lot of feedback on this, so we will see. So I just want you to see this. Again, this is just the look of my hair naturally. It's got a little bit of curl naturally, but I don't know what's going to happen when I crack this baby open after I get done like washing my hair. So I will be right back. So I'm just got done washing my hair. So we're going to be using this product to dry it and maybe give it some volume. I have no idea. So this is done as if you were to buy this from the store and just open the box and try it out for the first time. So responses, reviews, thoughts as I go through this will definitely be coming out of my mouth. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. Give me 1 second here. I gotta get this thing open. I'm gonna use a pen to do so because, you know, it's taped down. Okay, I tore the box already. I'm trying to get it opened. So then once I do that, and I may have to get something sharper to get this open. I thought I got it open. Okay, I did. Alright, it's open. It is so open right now. So like it's so like open. Okay, so okay, well, that is interesting. Alrighty, and she's stuck on something in here. Alright, so let's see. I think she's, I don't know if you can see that, but she's stuck on that. So we're going to try to pull that out here. Got it. Okay, cool. Alright, so it is a 2-prong thing. This is what it looks like when you get it. And it is huge. Like, yeah, it's bigger than my pec. So we shall see. The instruction manual. Alrighty, so let's just see what it says. Never wrap the power cord around the appliance. Of course not. Danger, warning. Alrighty, so styling tips. There we go. For fast results, towel dry and remove excess water, then run a comb through the hair to detangle for best results. Plug appliance into electrical outlet and adjust the switch. Use a low setting on fine hair and high setting on thick, coarse hair. Use cool setting to lock in the style. Separate into manageable sections. Smooth blowouts. Place volumizer close to roots and brush down towards the end. Then mix the mixed nylon pen will detangle and diffuse the bristles. Okay, so I'm gonna go grab a towel really quick because it's still dripping. So I'm gonna go grab a towel really quick and I'm gonna pat it down one more time, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the towel. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit more damp or drying because it's still kind of dripping. And they say to just, you know, don't rub it, just dab it. I've already picked through this, so good there. Okay, put that off to the side, and then it says your setting is here, and we're gonna go to low. Let's see. Okay, so the first pass really didn't do much drying. Or the third. because I'm doing the, you know, I'm pulling it out and stuff instead of. Okay, so that feels drier. It's just kind of like that here. And I just kind of like, for me, I don't feel like I want to keep going over like the same product just to get it dry, because my roots are dry, but my top of my part is not. I just don't feel like I want to keep doing that. So there's that. I'm like, let's just, okay, so then we did this. I'm going to do the rest of this side. Can you see? Because this up here, is down here is dry, up here is not. And that's like a concern. Because like, you know, you don't want to keep going through the ends of your hair, and then this part's, you know, wet up here that you're trying to dry. And this part down here is already dry. You know, you don't want to damage your hair or have a weird setting. So, not really sure on this thing. Because, I mean, if it's supposed to volumize your hair, it's probably supposed to do it like, dry your hair like evenly. But I don't think it's doing that. I mean, I don't know. What do you think, guys? Do you think it's like more, even though it's a little still wet, and so that's my concern. It's still a little wet, so, and it's only up to here that it's still wet, so maybe I should switch it to the cool setting. No, I don't want to do that. I'm going to switch it to the cool setting. Okay, no, that's not cool. That's warm. Like, when I use cool setting on my actual hair dryer, it feels cool. This doesn't. And then I'm going to actually use my actual hair dryer and see how that compares to what this side looks like. I kind of feel like this also kind of like frizzed my hair out as well, because I have hair that's curly. So I'm not sure if this is actually something that like works for me. But what do you think? Is there more volume to this product? Is there more volume than this side when I get dried? So let's just see what happens here. Okay, so this product here that I have that I'm using is also it's a JINRI Professional. Supposed to be fast drying, and it's got the diffuser on it because my hair is curly. So let's see what happens when I do this on my hair. So I always do medium and high on this because this is supposed to be fast drying as well. And this product already has gotten my hair a lot drier, a lot faster. So now, does one side have more volume than the other? Maybe this side does. I'm not sure. Maybe it does. But also too is the factor that my hair is like straight on this end and curly on this end. Maybe that's why, is that the hair is spread out. So I'll let you guys be the judge of this product. If you do like blowouts, then definitely this is like a cool product because it will do that for you for your hair. My hair is mostly dry now on this side too, so that's cool. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure. This product can kind of pull your hair. I don't know if you can see that. I'm sorry if that's gross to you, but I just want to show you that this can pull your hair as you're brushing it. So I'm not sure if I'm okay with that either, because when you comb your hair anyways, you're brushing it. So is this thing pulling out more because it's trying to, I'm not really sure on this one. So I don't know. I will let you guys decide on this one. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright, so really quick before I let y'all go, I went and did this just kind of curious. So this side actually feels thicker. And maybe it's because it's straight versus curly. I'm not 100% sure. But this side actually feels thicker. So this might actually work. I don't usually wear my hair straight, so this is not something I like. I was kind of hoping somehow it would keep my curls, but whatever, it didn't. Like I said, this is like buying the product from the store without actually knowing what it will do. So I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Just comment below if you guys think this side is better or this side has more volume. So let me know. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.